Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sir, reply to staff question 111. Sir, one case.
Pardon, your supplementary question.
Yes, sir. My first supplementary, sir, will be, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, what is the reason why there has been only one detection in this case?
Sir, there's no question of detection. This case is based on any kind of complaint that is lodged by individuals, and on the basis of that case is registered and investigation is done, sir. So there has been no formal complaint from anybody.
Sir, may I know whether the government has constituted committee or authority in each district as mandated by this act, sir?
So the rules are being framed now, and once these rules are framed as per the amended act of 2018, so the rules are being framed, and once these rules are framed, then the committees will be set up, sir.
So, may I know, sir, when do we expect that the rules will come out?
So the rules are in fact already ready. So only final consultation with different departments, as always is done, is being pursued. Very shortly, sir, the rules will be out, sir.
Kharpan, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I just want to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, is there any department to look after this Benami Transaction Act, sir?
So it's not in this entire thing, sir. Anytime that there is an issue or any person has complaints, sir, they are complaining to the magistrate and the first class magistrate or the SP in the particular district, sir.
This is Saleng.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, sir, this Benami also might, if we do it seriously, then it might curtail some influx from the outside also. Now what we have seen is that most of our tribals' name is being taken by those outsiders to do business here in Meghalaya. Last time, what we have seen is that when District Council, KHDC, they went to round up with the professional tax, with all those non-tribals, you know, from the back, our tribal people started jumping to save all those non-tribals who are doing in the names. So if those can be taken seriously, this is one of the area where we can check the influx. So I would like to request, whenever we are making the regulations rules, kindly look into this matter seriously. If this act can be placed seriously, then some of the influx can be checked.
It's a point noted, sir.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center